Today I'm making an extra special bolognese, and this recipe was given to me. I've adapted it ever so slightly, and we're going to make it in the Ninja using the slow cooker setting. It's going to be absolutely delicious, and it can just cook all day whilst I get on with other things. I'm starting off using sear and saute. You can also do this just in a frying pan on the hob. Get some oil in here. I'm using a classic vegetable base mix, which has got onions, carrot and celery in that. Plus I'm going to use some extra carrot as well. If not, you can just chop up your own onion and celery. You're going to need 1 onion, 3 celery sticks and 3 carrots. Now we want to add half of our red wine. I'm just letting that reduce now and let that cook off some of the alcohol. Then I'm going to remove the veg, and then we're going to brown all of the minces that we've got. So I've got lamb mince, beef mince and pork mince. I'm going to use all of these. I'm starting off with the pork. Doesn't matter what order you do it in. I just want to make sure that I can brown the meat. Whoa, we're getting steamy. Brown the meat and then remove. If I have too much in there, it will just stay really wet and we won't get a browning on the actual meat. And now for the beef. And the reason I'm doing such a big batch is because I like to add this into the freezer. Freeze it in portions, and then you've always got a quick, healthy and convenient dinner. Lastly, the lamb mince. I put less lamb mince in this just because it's not my favourite meat, but I do think it's going to add some good flavour to it. So I've just done half the amount. I've returned everything back in. Look how much we've got in here. This is going to make a massive batch, so perfect if you've got people coming over, or like me, you just want it for dinner and then you're going to freeze it into portions. Now you want to add in the remainder of the red wine. In that goes. And then we want to season that. I've got tomato puree in here, that's going to go into a tin of peeled tomatoes. I've added the passata as well. I love some Worcester sauce as well in my bolognese. And this is an extra special one, so let's pop that in, plenty of that. I also love to add a little bit of garlic, and I'm going to put a bay leaf and also some basil in here. So bay leaves, basil and a little bit of mixed herbs I've added as well. I want to make sure that this has got loads and loads of flavour. So this is going to go on to slow cook now for a good probably 4 hours, I would say. I will check it after a couple of hours. If it needs a little bit more water or anything, then I can always add that. But already, this is looking good. This is my extra special bolognese served up, and I've got some gluten-free linguine with mine. Lots of basil and a little bit of parmesan as well. Can't wait to eat this. It's looking really good. If you like the look of this extra special bolognese, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to leave me a comment too. See you in the next video. Bye.